Creating batch files allows you to automate repetitive tasks and run them as a single sequence. A batch file is typically created in a text editor application such as Notepad and always has a .bat file extension. Let's see a simple example of a batch file in action. As you can see here, we've got a set of commands. The first command here is @echo_off. The @echo_off command turns off displaying every command on screen. The symbol on this command stops the echo_off command itself from being displayed on the screen. After this, we've got the echo command. The echo command allows you to output text to the screen. This could be used to indicate something is in progress, for example. The pause command allows the process running to be paused, for example, to give an opportunity for text output by either the echo command or a process to be read before continuing, whilst exit terminates the batch file at that point. With the basics covered, let's see an example of a more complex batch file with a few more commands contained within it. As you can see here, this batch file asks for a computer name and then gets the serial number and system information. I've included getting the serial number as a separate command because the system info command doesn't include this information. The rem command here allows you to enter remarks in a batch file without them being interpreted as actual commands. CLS clears the screen. For example, if you've entered a few commands before you ran the batch file. The set command allows you to prompt the user for input. The syntax for this command is as follows: set/p variable name. The /p switch here means pause for input so that a value for the variable can be entered. As well as prompting for input, you can run different processes depending on the input received via the set command. This is done by using the if command, using the following syntax: if %variable name % == value action. Note here, the variable name needs to be included in %signs, but the value should just be entered normally. The action keyword should be replaced with the action that you want to happen if a condition is matched. In our example, we're using the goto command. This command allows you to jump to a certain point in the batch file in order to run commands at that point. You'd normally put exit or another goto statement at the end of the sequence in order to stop commands running that you don't want to run. Now that we've gone over creating batch files, let's move on to an overview of the WMIC command.